What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. Today, we're going to be reporting on some news and none other than FTX SBF. This is the talk of the town, ladies and gentlemen. So we got to keep reporting on it so you guys know exactly what's going on with this particular saga. Today, myself, T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, that man above, Jay Seals, we're going to be digging into the bankruptcy. FTX bankruptcy managers are hiring forensic investigators to look into the FTX situation. Now, before Justin talks, this is absolutely insane. Like, I really feel like this is getting to the point where a forensic investigator is coming in. Like, we all know what happened. We know what happened, right? But I do think it's a good idea to bring in a forensic investigator so we can just see it on paper. But Justin, take it away before I take the whole story.
All right. So the new management at the bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX has hired forensic investigators from consultancy Alix Partners to trace billions of dollars that have gone missing, the Wall Street Journal reported. The Alix Partners team will be led by Matt Jaquez, a former chief accountant for the Securities and Exchange Commission Enforcement Division. John Ray III, a restructuring expert who oversaw the Enron Corp bankruptcy, took over as CEO when FTX filed for bankruptcy protection on November 11th. Jaquez's team is tasked with tracking the funds that went missing from FTX as the firm cratered amid a liquidity freeze last month. Alix Partners was hired by the U.S. Securities Investor Protection Corporation to help recover funds stolen in Bernie Madoff's case, the investigative firm's website states. Alix Partners declined to comment. FTX did not immediately respond for requests for comment. Now, billions and billions of dollars have gone missing. And what's interesting is the two people who have not said anything at all is Caroline and her like CFO or whoever her chief financial operator was next to her, who was also involved.
That's because
And
they
I
probably
mean,
they probably on a boat somewhere, headed to somewhere
probably,
where there's no mosquitoes.
probably. And the person who's left to take the fall has been SBF himself. Now, I also know that's not in the story is that a lot of tornado cashing has been involved in a lot of missing money in FTX as well, which I'm sure they will never figure out where that money went and whether it's billions of dollars or not. So, I mean, at the end of the day, I think this is a mute point. I think it's just something they have to go through just because they're going through the bankruptcy. They have to at least try to find the money. Maybe they might be successful. I hope they are. Hopefully, with those funds, if they find them, they'll give them back to the people who lost the money. But we'll have to wait and see. And hopefully they give back to the little people too. Hopefully the little people get their money first, and then the big dogs get them afterwards. But like I said, we'll have to wait and see. Hobbs, what you got?
I would just like to note just a special ad is one thing to take notice of is that they actually had an investigation done weeks, months before they actually collapsed, and apparently they found nothing. So it wouldn't surprise me if this particular investigation comes back and says, I mean, we found some stuff, but we could see how he just made a mistake, right? I don't know. I really just don't get warm and fuzzies about anybody that's quote unquote investigating SBF because I really feel like there was more hands in the pot than we even know about, right? But again, it's allegedly, hypothetically, nobody's trying to get sued, but we'll see what happens, man. But listen, guys, if you like what you see here, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the Clear Cryptos education channel, and drop in the comments below exactly how you feel about this particular situation. Let us know about SPF and FTX and what your thoughts are, because I think we all need to chime in on this one. That being said, my name is T Hobbs over at the Crypto Shop. My boy Jay Seals is up there, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.